Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will talk about a beautiful plant called Azalea. Azalea is a flowering shrub. They're from the genus Rhododendron. In India, you will find them in the Himalayan regions a lot. They're cool temperature plants and they grow quite well in the hilly regions. They have lovely colors and they come in many varieties. During the flowering season, they fill up with the colorful blooms and they look amazing. In colder climates, they bloom in spring-summer time. Where I live, they bloom during the winter-spring season. They're bushy plants and you can easily grow them in containers. In right location and climate, they can be grown very easily. Mostly azaleas grow best in partial shade areas or in dappled shade. Morning sun is best for them. If you protect them from afternoon sun, they will do better. In colder climates, they can tolerate sunlight, but if you live in a hot area like me, you should keep them in shade, especially during the summertime. Too much sunlight and heat can damage the plants, the leaves can get burned and a lot of time they die. But in winters, you can give them 4 to 5 hours of morning sun for better flowering. Azaleas love a well-draining and acidic soil. The drainage for this plant should be very good, it's the most important requirement. The soil should be light and not heavy. If the soil is hard and does not drain well, it can damage the roots and your plant can die. So prepare the potting mix with very loose garden soil. Add lots of organic matter, compost, leaf mold and rice husk. You can also use wood chips or tree barks. If you want, you can avoid normal garden soil completely for better drainage. The pH of the potting media should be slightly acidic. They don't like alkaline soil. Azalea plants like moist soil. The roots of the plant is shallow, so always maintain the soil moisture. Make sure the soil is not too wet or not too dry. Always check before watering and water only when the soil is getting dry. Mulching is also very important. Mulch with leaf mold and wood chips to retain moisture levels of the potting media. You can fertilize them with any organic liquid fertilizer. Give them some compost and bone meal before the flowering season to boost flowering. Keep it light and simple, you don't need to feed them too much. Too much fertilization can also damage your plants. A lot of time they can get attacked by fungus, mealybugs and spider mites. So spray some neem oil and fungicide powder time to time to keep them healthy. They are slow growing plants, you don't have to prune them too much. You can prune depending on the plant to give them shape or make them bushy. That is all you need to do to grow these beautiful plants. So get a nice plant from the nursery. You can also grow them from cuttings. If you enjoyed my video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel for more content. I will see you next time. Bye!